Did you know that London was home to the world's first stock exchange? It wasn't built with shiny skyscrapers or digital screens. It started in a coffee house. In the late 1600s, the Royal Exchange was the heart of London's financial life. But it wasn't quite what we think of today as a stock market. It all began with a man named John Casting in 1698. He published a list of stock prices in a coffee house on Threadneedle Street. And that's how the London Stock Exchange was born. Traders would meet at Jonathan's coffee house to buy and sell shares of companies. But it wasn't organized like today's exchanges. In fact, it was chaotic, with people shouting over one another and deals being made without any formal structure. Still, it worked, and business was booming. Soon, the need for a more formalized system grew. In 1773, the first steps towards the modern exchange were taken. A group of stockbrokers signed a document known as the Buttonwood Agreement in the heart of the city. This agreement created the foundations of the modern London Stock Exchange. It wasn't just about buying and selling stock. It was about creating a place where capital could flow freely. This was revolutionary for the global economy. Before the exchange, businesses had to rely on wealthy individuals for funding. Now anyone could invest, opening doors to widespread wealth and opportunity. And here's the shocking twist. The very first stock exchange was so exclusive. Only a small group of traders were allowed to participate. But as time passed, the stock market grew and grew. It wasn't just the elite anymore, it was the people. The London Stock Exchange didn't just transform the UK, it reshaped global finance. It allowed companies to raise money, expand, and create jobs. It was the birthplace of capitalism as we know it today. And although the first stock exchange was humble, its influence was anything but. From a small coffee house to the powerhouse that dominates today's global markets. The legacy of the London Stock Exchange continues to shape economies worldwide. So, next time you check the stock market, remember you're standing on the shoulders of giants who started it all in a London coffee house.